What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're unable to delete apps on your iPhone. Sometimes you might find that you can't delete an app, and this is often due to screen time restrictions or because an app has permission to manage your other apps. First, let's check if screen time restrictions are causing the problem. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Screen Time. Tap on it and then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under this menu, find the option for App Installations and Purchases. Tap on it and then look for the Deleting App setting under App Management. Make sure that this option is set to Allow. If it isn't, change it so that you can delete apps. If the settings on your iPhone look different or you can't find these options, it might be a good idea to update your iOS. To do this, go to your Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. Follow the prompts to install any available updates, which could resolve the issue if it's due to an older version of iOS. Another potential cause is if a specific app has the ability to manage your other apps. This might be due to a third-party management or security app that is preventing you from deleting apps. To fix this, scroll all the way down in your settings until you see the list of installed apps. Find the app that might be causing the issue. Tap on it and check its settings. Look for any option that says Disallow Access or anything related to managing other apps and disable it. Following these steps should help you regain the ability to delete apps on your iPhone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.